Everyone, special thank you to Tony in Peabody, Massachusetts. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I'm the licensed optician behind the lens today. My name is Seymour Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm have you seen Mo Better, look at Mo Better and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. When I show you Tony's Oakley 5019, this is the socket titanium, the TI. It comes in 4 colors and 2 sizes, 54 and the 56 shown here. I'll have a link in the description below as well as at the end of this video, so you can click on and go to the website to see all 4 colors. I know there's a matte midnight, the satin black that you see here, a pewter, a chrome, but you can actually see the pictures, the colors for themselves, and what color emblem that Oakley puts on the edge. Now they come with, of course, the Oakley gift box, and you can get lenses only for your frames, but this is everything. When you purchase a frame, you get the gift box, the Oakley hardshell case. This is a plastic sleeve that goes on the left temple when I ship to you. The Oakley cleaning cloth that doubles as a carrying bag when you don't want to carry around the hardshell case. And he got the really cool high-end lenses. He got the Zeiss DriveSafe individual lenses, the PhotoFusion Extra Gray. I've highlighted the prescription in the right eye, same for the left. Pupillary distance, optical center height. This is the 167 PhotoFusion X Extra Gray. I forgot to highlight, let me do that. If you guys missed any of that, let me recap. Oh, that's a bad joke, but I couldn't help but say it. So, you're going to get the packets that the lenses came in before I cut them. Again, the the Zeiss Progressive DriveSafe Individual 1.67, the high index lenses, PhotoFusion Extra Gray, the DriveSafe Anti-Glare, and I'll talk about the DriveSafe in a moment, but again, I've highlighted the prescription for the right eye, the Add Power, same for the left. You're going to get the Zeiss cleaning cloth, my premium microfiber cloth. You're going to get instructions not only on how to care for the frame and lenses, but for the case and all 3 cleaning cloths, so they'll last you for years too. I'm also going to send out a selfie request. Tony, I would love to have your picture, your selfie on the website. 2 of them, one with them indoors while being clear, and one with you outside showing the PhotoFusion Extra Gray. But this is a really cool frame. Again, this is the socket TI, the titanium skinny. It's actually a round piece there. It gets even skinnier and goes to a round temple tip. I've only ever seen that on this frame, so it's very unique styling. You have it here. Now the DriveSafe lens gives you a little bit wider field of view in the medium. If you can imagine cutting your eyes left and right to check your mirrors, it actually goes from distance back to the intermediate very fast, so you can see your dashboard and your mirrors. And of course, it still gives you all the great reading that you expect from a Zeiss Smart Life lenses. But this is what they look like clear. By the way, the Zeiss Smart Life Anti-Glare, it's the only anti-glare you can get on the DriveSafe lenses. That's what makes it DriveSafe, along with the technology within the lens. They have their own proprietary lens on there, which helps cut down on the glare of driving at night. Again, DriveSafe lenses. Now, as you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for the lenses to darken, a little bit longer when you come back inside. 45 seconds to a minute 15. Now, this is important. Tony and everyone else pay attention. All photochromic lenses will get dark on day 1 and continue to darken every day for the first couple weeks they're exposed to the sun. After that, they will work for years at maximum performance. The only time they won't work perfectly is if you're behind the windshield of a car. Your windshield absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet light that would cause your dashboard to crack from sitting in the sun all day, and that's why they don't turn 100% dark. Now, these Zeiss PhotoFusion Extra Gray will get 50% dark behind a windshield. They're also temperature sensitive. All photochromic lenses, not just this one, all photochromic lenses are temperature sensitive, meaning they will get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you're miserable, they're miserable. Nobody or nothing works 100% when it's 100 degrees outside. Now, having said that, these Zeiss PhotoFusion Extra Gray are designed for extra active people who spend extra amounts of time outside and will get darker in hotter weather. The other nice thing about the PhotoFusion Extra Gray, these will get 50% dark behind the windshield, whereas in the past they were always lighter than that, but this new generation will do that. The other nice thing about photochromic lenses, all photochromic lenses, they offer blue light protection, and which is being discussed a lot about today's electronic devices such as cell phones, tablets, computer screens. Well, they block over 50% blue light indoors, more than just any of the blue light anti-glare protection. They'll do that automatically, and they'll block over 95% blue light outdoors. And everyone always asks, why is blue light important outdoors? Because the sun is the #1 source of blue light on the planet. So that's why you need that extra protection outdoors and looking at your phone or tablet. So if you have any questions, go to the Contact Us page of the website. You can email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. If you have any questions and want to talk to a live person, call my partner/apprentice Jigsaw at 919-491-2411. He's called Jigsaw because he's he's the missing piece of the puzzle that will solve your puzzle. If you really want extra help, ask for the red carpet service at no extra charge. He will build the cart for you in real time, and you can use any credit card to check out. Health savings account, flex card, regular credit card. If you haven't done it already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you'll get notified every time there's a new frame and lens combination as they become available. Please feel free to give us a thumbs up if you've liked what you've seen. Share this video with anyone else who wants to see it. And by the way, Jigsaw is a great lens stylist and frame stylist. He understands what works, what doesn't work. If you have any questions on what you want to do, again, Tony got the 167 high index. Some features available in the 174, which is the thinnest lens by law you can get in this country. Years ago, you could only get it with anti-glare. Now you can get it with the PhotoFusion, now with polarized, but not every option. I don't know if the DriveSafe is possible in that, so he'll go over everything. He can get on the computer and check everything out for you in real time. So that's another great feature. We're always available. Not only that, he speaks multiple languages, so whatever language you want to converse in, he's with you. If you're struggling, he'll learn your language. So that is it. Again, thank you to Tony, who got the DriveSafe high index 167 lenses with PhotoFusion extra gray, and of course the DriveSafe anti-glare in his Oakley 5019 socket TI frame, 56 eye size color 01, the satin black. If anyone else wants a pair, click on the link above to go to the website. And now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you. Oop, let's turn it off.